The results of motorcycle accidents are often tragic, resulting in very serious and sometimes even catastrophic injuries. It's important, if you have been involved in a motorcycle accident, to not just find a lawyer. It's essential to find the right lawyer. Hi, my name is Joseph Donahue, and I'm a partner here at Block, O'Toole & Murphy. Unfortunately, motorcycle accidents happen frequently here in New York City. A lot of times, motorcycles have collisions with cars that either don't see them or don't account for them being on the roadway. Motorcycles do not have built in the safety features that people enjoy with a motor vehicle. As you can imagine, motor vehicles are bigger, they're enclosed, they're provided with seat belts for the occupants, but unfortunately motorcycles don't have any of those safety features. And so it's especially important for people operating motorcycles to be especially careful to avoid any types of accidents. Motorcycle operators are required to observe the same rules of the road as cars. They have to obey traffic control signals, they have to obey markings in the roadways, they have to obey speed limits. While motorcycles can operate on the roadway, they're not permitted to operate in bike lanes, and they're not permitted to operate on the sidewalks here in New York City. Instead, motorcycles need to follow the same rules set forth in the vehicle and traffic law that governs the operation of motor vehicles such as cars. When an operator of a motorcycle is involved in an accident, they should take all steps to make sure, first and foremost, that they're safe. After an accident occurs, you want to make sure that the appropriate medical personnel respond to the scene if a person is injured. In most instances, because motorcycle accidents usually involve very serious injuries, an ambulance is called to the scene and the person is taken to the hospital. It's important that that person receives immediate medical treatment to ensure that their health and their well-being are taken care of. You want to make sure that the police are called to ensure that they can properly investigate the accident, to take statements from the individuals that are involved in the accident, any witnesses, and the police can make a determination of who, if anyone, is at fault for the happening of the accident. It's only after this should a person then consider, do I need to contact a lawyer? In doing so, it's important that they contact the right lawyer. And that's important because the lawyer needs to make sure the happening of the accident is properly investigated. It's important to make sure that photographs of the scene are obtained. Witness statements are obtained. Statements are obtained from the other individuals involved in the accident, and the proper medical records are obtained in order to evaluate the injuries of the person that's been injured. The right lawyer is a lawyer with experience and knowledge, a lawyer that has handled many motorcycle accidents before. Here at Block, O'Toole & Murphy, we have handled many motorcycle accidents. Our extensive team of trial lawyers has tried motorcycle accident cases with great results, and we handle those cases from the beginning, from the outset, on the eye towards, if this case has to go to trial, what information will we need to prove our case? If you or a loved one or someone you know has been involved in a motorcycle accident, please feel free to call Block, O'Toole & Murphy for a free consultation so we can discuss with you the ways in which we can help you get fair and reasonable compensation.